Today, I'll show you how to fix Bereal not posting. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Bereal's Help Center doesn't seem to have one official article called not posting or upload failed, so the most reliable approach is to use Bereal's general troubleshooting and posting rules together. Bereal's Help Center does confirm things like posting limits, notification timing, and support contact options. The first thing to do is check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is weak or your mobile data is unstable, BeReal may get stuck while uploading. A practical fix is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try posting again. If that doesn't help, fully close the app and reopen it. Restarting the app often fixes temporary upload glitches, and this matches the kind of basic app troubleshooting BeReal points users toward through its help center and support flow. Next, make sure you haven't hit one of BeReal's posting limits. BeReal says you can delete a maximum of 2 BeReals per notification, and after deleting twice, you won't be able to post a third time for that same notification period. So if you deleted and retried several times, that may be the reason the app is no longer letting you post. It also helps to check whether you're still inside the active BeReal posting cycle. BeReal says your streak continues only if you post during each notification period, and it ends when a new time to BeReal notification arrives and you didn't post during the previous one. That means if too much time has passed, you may need to wait for the next daily notification or post late instead of trying to force the original one. If the app is still not working, update BeReal to the latest version, restart your phone, and try again. If you recently changed anything around your account, like your phone number, BeReal also has a separate account transfer process for number changes, which can matter if your posting issue is really an account access problem. And if nothing fixes it, contact BeReal support directly. BeReal provides an official support request page through its help center, and that's the best next step if your post keeps failing to upload or disappears after you send it. So, in simple terms, try this in order. Check your internet, switch networks, force close and reopen the app, restart your phone, make sure you didn't exceed the delete and repost limit, and then contact BeReal support if it still won't post. And that's how to fix BeReal not posting. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.